Hello everyone, Edwin here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fun application on the Smile Pi. Fun application has three different applications. There is Edify Draw and Paint, and then Edify Music, and then World Map. Now, let's start with World Map. World Map allows us to enter the location that we want, and then it will take us there. Let's explore the globe. So just come and click explore the globe, and then it will bring you to the world map. As you can see, it has all the 7 continents: Africa, South America, North America, Africa, Europe, Asia, Australia. This is called Oceania. So this is Australia. So for you to use this, it is very easy. Just enter the name of the place you want to look for. And let's start with locally, the place where I'm located. Let's search. Right now I'm in Gulu, Uganda. I'll write Gulu, Uganda. It's not there. Okay. Gulu. Let's see again. Yes. So it takes us to Gulu. Yeah. So it recognizes that Gulu is one of the towns in Uganda. It takes me to Uganda. Yeah. So I've found the place. And let's go to the place where I was born. I was born in Lira. It has taken me just the neighboring district. So Gulu is here, Lira is here. Okay. Let's you can even make it big, by the way. As you can see, it has Oyam, Apache, Dokolo. Yeah, so this is Lira. Let's try a different location that is not in Uganda. Let's try Kisumu. Kisumu is in Kenya. Yeah. Okay. Let's try Kivu. It's not there. Okay. Kigali is in Rwanda. It's right here. Okay. So this application allows us to locate. And in the new curriculum, I've seen the government, it has been changed that people should start using maps to do those things like location. And so I feel like this is like a blessing in disguise. It came at the time that we needed it. So make use of the location. You can be able to locate anything. Let's do one more location, and then we proceed to the next application. Which location should I? Let's see if that is there. Abidjan. Oh, okay. Abidjan. Yeah, I didn't know the spelling. Thank you for helping me. So you see, so any location you want, all you have to do is type in the search box here, search bar here, and then you hit enter or click this, and it will take you there. So that is the world map. Let's check on let's check on Edify Music. Just come and click create music. Now, this music application allows us to create music using keys. And these are the keys. These are the keys. F, F, G, A. This is a song. This one here is a song. Let's first play and see. So the song, the sound that you just heard, or the song that you just heard, is created using this, was created using these keys. If I delete, let's say from here, let me remove it. I'll put it back. Let's play and see. You see, as you can see, I have disorganized it. But if I put them all back and replay, now this music application allows us to create music. So for those ones who are talented in making music, they can come here and play with the keys and come up with beautiful music for us. So yeah, the application is there for us to explore our talents. Let's make use of it. For those ones who love music, just come to Edify Music and make some. Okay, it has sample songs are here if you want to play them, and then it has this is the same song that was playing. Don't really know what these things mean, but I suppose it is the same. They are the same key that is written up here. So if you know how to read this, you know how to do this, I think you can make a beautiful song out of it. Then let's go to Edify Draw. Edify Draw is like a Microsoft Paint or any drawing application. Yeah, let's first create drawings. Now it has tools for you to draw and paint. Like for example, I'm going to pick a pencil and then I'll choose. Can choose the smallest, yeah, or the level, keep going, yeah, the level of thickness. And this one is going to be bigger. This is going to be bigger. Okay, but let's remove them. This is a razor. You can just so yeah, you can also increase the size of the rubber or the eraser from here. So you can use this to make drawings. Let us draw with one. After I've removed this, let's set the size from there to that, and then let's draw. Oh, okay, let's click on the pencil. I don't know what that is. Maybe let me remove it first. Okay, so let's draw something here. Yeah, so this is Edify Draw. So it allows you to also explore your drawing creativity. And yeah, it is one of the most interesting for the kids. They would spend hours and hours in it. So let's use it also to enrich our creativity and make us much better creative people. So let's encourage our learners to use these applications and make beautiful drawings out of it. Thank you so much. May God bless you. Uh, Stay tuned for the next video, which is going to come soon. Thank you so much.